Submerge. A truth revealed. He takes them back to shore, making sure they're still breathing. Voltage surprise attacks Submerge on land, taking him out of his element. Submerge dodges every attack. The citizens are standing around watching. Using that to his advantage, Voltage destroys. Frank and Justin wake up. They see the destruction and run into the closest building. Your move, fish boy. He water jumps in the air and splashes water down from the fire. But there's too much. While in the air, Voltage lightning jumps, tackling him out. They crash on the ground hard. Submerge looks up to see more debris falling towards people. He reaches out to them, but Voltage kicks him in the ribs. The debris is upon one Frank in his uniform and mask, jumps in, catching it. He moves a large wooden piece out of the way. Justin jumps into action, using his invention to stop the fires. The mini fire extinguisher in his palms gets the job done. They both look around and nod at Submerge. He smiles and catches Voltage's foot. Surprised and caught off guard, Voltage is knocked to the ground. Submerge rolls to his feet and encases Voltage in water. He grins and lightning shoots out of his body in every direction. After freeing himself from the water cage, Voltage hovers in the air. He shoots lightning arrows at Frank, Justin, and everyone else in the street. One arrow is about to hit an innocent lady when Justin, in his uniform and goggles, jumps in front of it. He is sent flying into a building, knocking him out. No! Sorry, I don't think your Hydro Boy is getting up from that. My team is stronger than that, Voltage. You wait and see. He closes his eyes, but the blue glow in his eyes can be seen through his goggles. Frank sees the water in the ocean rising. He charges at Volt, spraying him with the fire extinguisher fluid all around him. Voltage can't see a thing.